Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Welcome to our fruity alphabet voyage. Today, our journey takes us through the letters V, W, and X with some amazing fruits. Are you ready for a fruity adventure on the high seas? Let's set sail with the letter V. Can you think of a fruit that starts with V? Velvet tamarind. Ah, wonderful choice. Now, let's continue our voyage to the letter W. What fruit comes to mind that starts with W? Watermelon. Well done, little sailors. Now, our adventure takes a turn to the letter X. Can you guess a fruit that starts with X? Ximenia. Brilliant. Let's jump on fruits. Velvet tamarind is not just a fruit, it's a unique and delightful experience. Enjoy your velvet tamarind voyage. Next is watermelon. Watermelons are like juicy, refreshing islands in the fruity seas. They're sweet and perfect for hot summer days. Let's cheer. W is for watermelon. Brilliant. Last fruit is Ximenia. Ximenia is not just a fruit. It's a mysterious and delightful experience waiting to be explored. Enjoy your journey in Ximenia's secret garden. Let's have color and alphabets and fruits. First alphabet is V. In this alphabet I am using orange color. Second alphabet is W. In W alphabet we will use yellow color. And the last alphabet is X. In X alphabet I am going to add blue color. First fruit is velvet tamarind. The velvet tamarind is a unique fruit that grows on a tall tree. It's also called mara or dialia and is known for its velvety brown shell. When you open the velvet tamarind, you find soft, juicy flesh that's both sweet and a little bit sour. It's like a flavor adventure in every bite. Second fruit is watermelon. A watermelon is a giant, juicy fruit that's a summertime favorite. It's not just a fruit. It's like a refreshing oasis on a hot day. Watermelons are usually green on the outside and have a bright, juicy, pink or red interior. It's like nature's own colorful treat. Taking a bite of watermelon on the beach is like having a sweet and juicy companion for your seaside adventures. And last but not least fruit is Ximenia fruit. The Ximenia fruit is like a hidden treasure in the heart of its tree, waiting to be discovered. It's a small, round fruit that comes in different colors, such as yellow or orange. When you bite into a Ximenia fruit, get ready for a burst of tart and tangy flavor. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.